Clear? First of all, we are going to talk about the moment of inertia. Moment of inertia. I hope you are doing well. You are listening me, right? First of all, we are going to read about the moment of inertia. What is the moment of the inertia? Then actually it is the resistance. It is the measurement of the resistance to change the rotational motions. Clear? This is the measurement of the resistance. So you can say that moment of inertia gives a measurement of measurement of resistance of a body, resistance of a body to change in its rotational motion. In rotational motion. What do you mean by this? If a body have higher moment of inertia, it means it have the higher resistance to change, to move in the rotational motion. क्लियर? अगर किसी बॉडी के पास मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया लार्ज क्वांटिटी में है, इसका मतलब क्या करेगा? वो आसानी से मूव रोटेशन मोशन में नहीं जा सकता है। कहने का मतलब ये हुआ, ठीक है? तो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस? if a body is at rest, it means the body have high moment of inertia. High moment of inertia means higher the moment of inertia, more difficult to put the body in the rotational motion. I think आपने व्हाट इज मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया, ये आपका कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो गया होगा। अब हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ ए सिंगल पार्टिकल्स। मोमेंट ऑफ inertia of a single particle. Moment of inertia of a single particle. Let's consider we have to measure the moment of inertia about any fixed point, fixed line. Let us consider this is the fixed line and this is the a single particles. We have to find the moment of inertia of this single particle of mass m about this x dash, and the distance between the moment body and this fixed point is r. Then moment of inertia that is denoted by I, is equal to m into r square. Now next one is a moment of inertia of a system of particles, Here you have to find the moment of inertia about the fixed lines. Again, if a body is m1 at a distance r1, there is a body m2 at r2 distance, m3 at r3 distance, then you have to find the moment of inertia. then I is equal to summation of individual moment of inertia, like m1 r1 square plus में m2 r2 square plus में m3 r3 square. Now next moment of inertia of a rigid bodies, like this is the rigid body. You have to find the moment of inertia about any point. Then you have to take a small masses of this rigid body. The masses can be taken as the dm. Masses can be taken as the dm, and the distance from this is I. You have to find this dm. Dm can be the find out by their ratios given कि how mass is distributed in the body. कैसे बॉडी में मास डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है उसके बेसिस पे आपको डीएम फाइंड आउट करना है. एक एग्जांपल देखेंगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस में. ठीक है. देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू टेक द स्मॉल infinitely small element of the mass, right? That is known as the dm. Dm is infinitely small element of mass. R is distance of mass dm from the rotation of the axis, then I is equal to integration r square into dm. Clear? Okay, next. Now we have to find the moment of inertia. Moment of inertia of a uniform cylinder. This is the cylinder. You have to find out the its length is L and radius is capital R. Length is L. Mass is M. ठीक है. तो mass of cylinder is equal to M. Radius of cylinder is equal to capital R. Then first of all we divide the uniform cylinder into the annular cell of the width dr. Let us take a section of this one. Clear? Its radius is R. We have to cut a section in between, annular section. Whose width is dr. Right? Then we have to find the dl. Okay. dr is width. क्या होगा? We have to divide cylinder into annular shape cell of width dr and length L. Then moment of inertia of that cell is di. The moment of of inertia of this cell is equal to di, and di is equal to r square into medium. Di is equal to r square into medium, and dm is, you have to find out, mass is equal to volume into density. Volume into density. Let us consider the volume is v, a mass is a dm, then volume is dv into my what, density is rho. We are consider dv is varying because, and this is a uniform cylinder, homogeneous type of cylinder, then density does not vary from place to place, but dv volume may be changed for the smaller section to the larger section. Okay, and where rho is density of the cylinder, rho is the density of the cylinder, then you have to write like this: rho is r square into dm. Dm is equal to dv into my rho. Clear? Then you have to find the value of dv. You have to find the dv. Consider this annular sections. Consider this annular section, and this annular section have the same length. If you find the volume of volume of this small sections, that will be the dv. You can find the dv is equal to what? 2 pi r into my l. Clear? 2 pi r in l, है ना? l के यहाँ पे आप 2 pi r into l, ये पेरीमीटर इंटू में ये एरिया होगा। वॉल्यूम के लिए आपको यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा dr से भी। ठीक है, अब देखो इसी सेक्शन में मैंने वैल्यू पुट कर दिया, तो देन di इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? r स्क्वायर रो इंटू dv। वी हैव टू पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ द dv का वैल्यू जो भी आए हैं आपको यहाँ पे इस सेक्शन में, यहाँ पे ये वैल्यू पुट करेंगे। क्या है? 2 पाई आर एल इंटू डी आर इंटू रो। क्लियर? और 2 पाई आर एल इंटू में आर स्क्वायर, then you have to write like this: 2 pi rho into l cube into में l into में dr. Clear? Now integrate this one, then di is equal to 2 pi rho l into l cube into में dr. Now find the value of di, then integrate both sides. 2 pi rho l into r to the power 4 divided by 4. Why? How? X to the power n dx। अगर इंटीग्रेशन निकालना होता है क्या था? x plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Similarly, we find the value of this one. Then I is equal to this one. But in this case, r का वैल्यू कहाँ से कहाँ तक वेरी करेगा? 0 से लेके r तक। Then this value become the r to the power 4. Now अगर हम पूरी बॉडी की कंपेयर करें तो डेंसिटी का कोई ना कोई वैल्यू होगा, एंड डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास ऑफ डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम। फॉर द सिलेंडर मास इज कैपिटल M and volume is pi r square into l. Keep the value of rho in this equation number first, then I will become 2 pi into में क्या m divided by pi r square l into में r to the power 4 divided by 4. Now cancel, up pi to pi cancel, next l to l cancel, and this one r square, capital R square, then r square to r square cancel, then 2 say 2 cancel, it will be half m r square. ठीक है, तो सिलेंडर का जो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया हो गए, तो एक मिनट, मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया of inertia of a cylinder is equal to 1 by 2 mr square. Now, अब इसी तरह हम लोग और भी रिजिड बॉडी ले सकते हैं. एज फॉर एग्जांपल थिन रॉड ले लिया जाए, थिन रॉड देन इसका मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया अबाउट द सेंटर ऑफ द एक्सिस इज इक्वल टू ml स्क्वायर बाय 12 एट द इंटरमीडिएट. यहाँ पे इंटरमीडिएट से अगर हम लोग करें तो ये ml स्क्वायर बाय 12. उसके बाद सर्कुलर डिस्क की भी बात कर ले. इफ द रिजिड बॉडी इज सर्कुलर डिस्क, then we have to find out the moment of inertia. We can take the figure भी हम लोग देख लेते हैं. अगर ये इस तरह का फिगर है तो moment of inertia of body one about this axis and this one I1 and this one is the I2 and I1 is equal to I2 and it will become is equal to mr squared divided by 4. But when we are using the parallel theorem, then moment of inertia about the point 3 लेता हूँ 3, then I3 will becomes I1 plus में I2 that will equal to mr square by 4 plus में mr square by 4 that will equal to mr square by 2. Similarly, next one is a circular ring. If the ring, इसके भी दो एक्सिस होंगे. We are changing colors. ये देखिए मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इस एक्सिस के थ्रू या फिर इस एक्सिस के थ्रू I1 and I2, then moment of inertia I1 is equal to I2 क्या हो जाएंगे mr square divided by 2 r capital. We are considering the mass m and the radius r. Mass m and radius r of this cylinder. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट करूं, मरूं आगे. थैंक यू. चलो, अब अगर मेरा यहाँ पे रहेगा solid sphere, then moment of inertia about the this one I1, this one is equal to 2 by 5 mr square if the mass is m, radius is r square. And if when we have to find the moment of inertia about the about this one, then I2 is equal to 2 by 5 mr square प्लस में मास तो m ही है बट इस दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस कितना है r है, देन प्लस में क्या m r स्क्वायर इट विल इक्वल टू व्हेन वी ऐड तो 5 plus 2 यानी 7 by 5 mr square. Now consider next one hollow sphere. The moment of inertia like this. Hollow, this one is the I1 and this is 1 and 1 and 2. Then moment of inertia about one axis. इसको मान लेते हैं, इस एक्सिस को हम लोग 1 कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, then this is I1 is equal to हो जाएंगे 2 by 3 mr square. But when we are finding about two axis, then I1 plus में क्या मास अगर m है, रेडियस r है, then the distance between both plus में mr square put the value 2 by 3 mr square plus में mr square that will is equal to 3 plus 2 यानी 5 by 3 mr square. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. अगर आप मेरे से क्लास करना चाहते हैं और तो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. ठीक है. Thank you.